Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2016 Heartland ElkRidge 39 MBHS. This unit is used, but as you can see, it was very well taken care of. You have the dinette here with the available 2 folding chairs, dual recliners, and then the long bed here that converts into a bed, or a long couch that converts into a bed. You have a fireplace. The nice thing about the fireplace is it runs off of 110. So it gives you enough heat to heat the unit using electricity. Good sized TV. And up here you have your stereo controls and storage. On this side again, more storage. Nice sized microwave. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. Tons of storage on either side in here. And then this one, you get a nice big fridge, dual door. Same with your freezer. And this floor plan is the mid bunk, so under here, this will convert into a bed. And then you have tons of storage in here and available entertainment system here, so you can mount a TV. And then up this way, more storage here in the entrance. And then up above here you have a huge loft. And a really good sized bathroom in here with the Jack and Jill doors and a corner shower. And then as you come in here, you have a walk around bed. Looks like king size. And a huge closet. And this one also has an available, either you can use it as a closet or you have the washer dryer hookups. And then a nice big bay of drawers here. And a television back here for entertainment. Go ahead and come on outside, we'll take a look. Under here you have a huge storage bay with magnetic hold. As you can see, that passes all the way through. Exterior marine grade speakers, electric awning with LED underneath. Propane storage here. More storage here in the front. If you want to put a generator. And then on this side, this is the opposite side of your pass-through storage. Centralized water controls, fresh water connection, city water connection, your gray and your wastewater holding tank. All the poles are right here, nice and easy to get to. And then this one's got the auto leveling. And a roof access ladder back here. Alrighty, thank you again for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews. We're here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you have any questions or would like to take a look at the unit, give me a call at 541-731-8583. I can't wait to hear from you.